All right, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? And I'm going straight to the program. Please make sure you follow me on this one. Very, very important. Few days ago, we talked about this lady called Abike Dabiri. We talked about her here on this platform. I can't remember where I posted that video. I think on our second platform, though. All right, but the news is trending. This woman is the woman that was behind the issue of Amaka in Canada, if you can recall. She had been on Igbo people, not one, not two, not three. She had been committing a lot of nuisance, trying to talk down on Igbo people, trying to rubbish Igbo people. The recent one she said after Amaka incident is that the Igbos when you go to Indonesia, that 21 people that facing, to send to be Chukwuka Abiyama, that out of that 21, 20 of them are from one state in Southeast. Literally telling you that Igbos are the one committing crime. No, she did not end it there. She actually said that Nigerians have been undermined globally because of the activities of Igbo people in diaspora. She is making some unhealthy comment, talking down and trying to, rubbish Igbo people, because she's one thing they called her post is has to do with global whatever in diaspora, Nigeria in diaspora, something like that. I've always often forget that her post, but for the fact that Tinubu is a Yoruba man, this bigotry, this woman that always undermine, the ethics of her job and trying to show her tribal sentiment. Very, very, very devilish woman. Hear the post. One of them, of course, Afon Jazz, Wale as Akirele, made this post and she posted it on her own official handle with a laugh. And what the post said: "My sister, you are doing well. Allow those monkeys to continue to make unnecessary noises. They are born to be ungrateful." And this woman, never do well woman, retweeted with this emoji. So people Gazette captured it very, very well. Although the reporter, of course, is a Yoruba person. That goes to show, like I told you previously, like the video that we talked about a few days ago, I made it clear because not everybody in Yoruba land are, tribal bigot, but they have many, to be honest with you, there. Now, we are going to go through it. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you are new, and do all you can to support us on this one. We have many ways to support financially, liking the video, sharing it. The choice is yours. But do not just be, one of the enemy from our village. Please, stretch your hands of fellowship and hands of, helping hands, and share it widely. Abike Dabiri, everyone shares post calling Igbo monkeys. That's the headline, as you can see it on the screen, not me. All right. Here, Abike Dabiri, everyone, chairman of the Nigerian in Diaspora Commission. Oh, Nigerian that is her post, her job. Okay. Okay. In Diaspora Commission, whatever, NIDCOM. On Wednesday, remember the day that she made this publication, this people guys reported this is here, 3rd of September, being just yesterday. So it is as fresh as today's bread. Okay, let me take it again. Abike Dabiri, everyone, chairman of the Nigerians in Diaspora Commission, on Wednesday amplified a derogatory post that referred to Igbos, Nigerian citizens of Southeast extraction as monkey and gorilla gorilla. So we know what that means, right? We know what it means. You know the implication of that. Why the writer emphasized Nigerian citizens of Southeastern extraction is just to, account, because they know that major Igbos and don't like to, being, identified as Nigerian. That's the fact. There's few people that are helping in getting, want to get involved in Nigerian politics, just to enrich themselves, not for any serious, anything serious, just to enrich themselves. Politician money is always in bunk. So many Igbos want to be involved as well. No matter how that is, it appears to be. Mrs. Dabiri Erwa had earlier posted a video of a trafficked girl she identified as Mercy, who was rescued from Libya on Monday. In reaction to Ms. Dabiri's Erwa post, an ex-user, Wale Akire, the one I showed you now, posted via these are his handle or whatever, lauded the, that is Nigerian Industrial whatever commission boss for her work, just to acknowledge her and praise her that she's doing a good work. Why belittle Igbo people? That's talking about Igbo people as monkeys, children of gorilla, and bastard. My sister, you are doing well. They're quoting him now. Allow those monkeys to continue to make unnecessary noises. They are born to be ungrateful people. Those animals tagging you, they are children of gorilla. Gorilla history told us about them. Kudos to you, madam. Give her high title and all that. Voice of Igbo. See what my sister has done. Omale jati jati. I couldn't posted. That's this man that made this post. Okay, the handle you are seeing is this Wale S Akirele. So now you see this woman reposted it because not flowing here. In oh God. In apparent approval of Akirele's toxic post, Miss Dabiri Arewa reposted it with meme of laughter, amplifying the message on Miss Dabiri Arewa's timeline. The post has been viewed by over 15,000 people, gathering more than 50 reposts and over 100 comments. As of the time they made this publication, by now I know it must have gone viral. Excuse me. Okay. Where is it? Okay. No. Excuse me. Okay. So some ex-users belittled Mrs. Dabiri Erwa for amplifying derogatory posts calling Igbo monkeys, saying its future depends in diversity. Its futures depend in diversity, in deceive ethnic tribal tension. All right, saying that this woman, being Miss Arewa, whatever you call herself, amplifying derogatory posts, calling Igbo's monkey, saying its future depends division, that's divisive ethnic tribal tension. Divisive ethnic tribal tension, reacting to the post on Miss Dabiri's Arewa timeline. Somebody called O. David said, "This is the lowest I have ever seen in the history of Nigeria." Fibrate said, "I thought this page was being handled by a responsible woman, but seriously, I see it is for her tribe interest, and we will respond to you as a tribal bigot." Another ex-user, Ms. Ozowan, said, "One useless fellow who happened to be pushed into the corridor of power of authority, you never disappoint. You always show the stuff you are made of. A concoction of vicious and virulent characters hidden behind makeup." Before now, Ms. Dabiri Erwa had been criticized for saying that in Indonesia, 20 out of 21 Nigerians, meaning just only one person, on death row were from one state in the southeast. This is her claim. And those things did not go down well with many people. That's just the fact. If you can be honest to yourself, you find out that it's all about bigotry. It's all about, insult on Igbo people and undermine the fact that Igbos are doing it wonderfully well. So, like I said, last time we reacted on the same nonsensical behavior. A Yoruba man happened to, have her time, and I have shared that video before. So let's go back to this and let's listen to this papa. That will help you understand what this woman is all about, because this is typical Afanja. But on the other hand, after listening to this man's video last time, I made it clear to all that this is just a proof that not everybody, not every Yorubas are as bigotry as this woman. Some of them do what they do out of their own personal, interest, or their own personal idiotic manners, or maybe illiterate, because not everybody that attends school actually, are sound in mind or sound in brain. Anyway, please make sure you like the video and tell me what you think about it. Hear this man. I think that is that will make you to understand what I'm talking about better.
I come here today to condemn the statement of Abike Dabiri, that woman that has not been useful for any other thing than squandering our money over our family, over our non-nonstication, stupidity things. I totally condemn a statement of tribalizing criminality among Nigerians. I totally go against the fact that she, one way or the other, indirectly referring to a particular group of tribe in Nigeria to be behind all the criminalities in Nigeria. An Igbo small girl was the best student this year in all subjects in England. We say she is a Nigerian. But when there is problem, like what you are saying about Malaysia or whatever, that the people on death row, there 20 people are on death row, there are 20 of them are from Southeast, one of them from Edo. Your Excellency, what is wrong with your brain? Why do you have a selective memory? Is it because you don't wash your hair all the time? 52 Yoruba people are in Saudi Arabia facing death penalty. 52 Nigerians, Yoruba people. So, last week in New York, over 14 Nigerians were rounded up, mostly Yoruba people. You are trying to tribalize criminality. A criminal is a criminal. As long as you are carrying your passport, if you committed any crime, you are a Nigerian. I'm trying to say that you don't want people to generalize it. Haven't you generalized it by you saying that 20 of the 21 are from Southeast, and that has been the normal routine? What is normal routine? I want 50 to 1 in Saudi Arabia. We don't want bigots like these people in power. We don't want people who talk along. We have Nigerians suffering, dying every day in Libya. This woman will not follow. The time we had problem in Sudan, this woman, this bigot of a woman, refused to carry people from Southeast, giving preferential treatment. People who are facing death, on select one. Eru Fulani. On tribalize criminality to Nigeria. Are we not Nigerians? Aren't we carrying the same passport? We are so smart in Nigeria. àwọn ọ̀dàlúrú, àwọn òfin ọ̀rọ̀ báyẹ́jẹ́, irú yín náà fi sípò. How do you mean that that you don't want to generalize things, but most of the crime always come from one particular place? There's over 50 Yorubas that are facing death penalty in Saudi Arabia there right now. Why aren't you saying it?
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And we're going to end it here. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think about all we discussed so far. God bless you. And see you again. Please subscribe to the channel. Very, very important.